So I just set up an EC2 instance and I'm using NGINX on this, and with NGINX you can use certbot to get your SSL certificates. So whenever I was doing this, I noticed that after I deployed everything and restarted everything and I went to my website using the HTTPS protocol, I noticed that it was actually giving me a screen kind of like this. I can't replicate the issue, but this is what it was doing. So essentially, it just wasn't working, and I sought to figure out why. So after looking at this, I noticed that it didn't really solve my issue. So I just want to create what did solve my issue, and that's what this video is about. So I went to my configuration files for my web server, and I'll just go into them right now. And I noticed that there's this flag for IPv6 only. Well, I'm using an elastic IP, and with an elastic IP, there is no IPv6. And you can see that in this documentation here, where it says we do not support elastic IP addresses for IPv6. So I was thinking, oh, maybe this has something to do with it. So I removed this flag and then it started to work. So when I removed this, it started to work for HTTPS, and that was all good. But I think there was another issue at play, because even when I removed this, it wouldn't redirect to the HTTPS endpoint. So really what ended up working was just adding a www endpoint up here in the server name. So that's what I'm going to do here. And this seemed to solve both issues, and I was able to keep this flag on. So yeah, that's my solution and what I came up with. So this seemed to work. So once you make that change, you just need to restart your NGINX service on your computer, or the EC2 instance, and let's just check the status, and it's running. And we go here and we type in HTTP, and it should work as well, and redirect, and it does. So that's what I came up with, and that's what worked for me. So hopefully that works for you, and thanks for watching.